Good morning. I am Mrs. Saksali Jovita, Assistant Professor, KCS Kasnadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about some basic operations in tree. Some of the basic operations in trees are searching, insertion, and traversal. Searching searches an element in a tree. Insertion, it inserts an element in a tree. And traversal is again classified into three types: pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and post-order traversal. So let us see one after one. Search operation. Whenever an element is to be searched, start searching from the root node. Then, if the data is less than the key value, search for the element in the left subtree. Otherwise, search the element in the right subtree. Here is the example for searching operation. Next operation, insert operation. Whenever an element is to be inserted, first locate its proper location. Start searching from the root node. Then, if the data is less than the key value, search for the empty location in the left subtree and insert the data. Otherwise, search for the empty location in the right subtree and insert the data. Here we have the list 12, 7, 9, 19, 5 and 10. First, we have to insert the first element from left side to element should be inserted from left side to right. So we are taking the 12. So insert the 12 element and the 12 will be the root node for this tree. And the second element is 7 and 9. Compare these values and insert to the right or left subtree. So 7 is less than 12. So we have to choose the left side of the 12 and we have to add the as a left node. And after that we are taking the 9. So we have to compare this 9 with 12 12 again. It is less than 12. Then we are going to the left subtree of the 12. Again we are comparing this with the 7. The 9 is greater than 7. So we are placing this 9 as the right side of that 7th node. So this is how the insertion happened in tree. Next operation is traversal. Traversal is a process to visit all the nodes of the tree and may print their values too. Because all the nodes are connected via edges, we always start from the root node. First type is in-order traversal. In this traversal method, the left subtree is visited first, then the root, and later the right subtree. We should always remember that every node may represent a subtree itself. Here is the example. Here we start with the root node A and follow it in order traversal. We move to its left subtree. This is the left subtree of that tree, and B is also travel in order. The process goes on until all the nodes are visited. The output of in-order traversal of this tree will be first this node, leftmost node of the left subtree D, and the root node and the right node. So D, B, E. After that, main root node of A. Finally, the right subtree. Right subtree is leftmost node F and root node C. After that, the right subtree is rightmost node G. Here we traverse in order traversal. The next type is pre-order traversal. In this traversal method, the root node is visited first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. Here we start from A as usual and follow the pre-order traversal. We first visit the A itself and then move to its left subtree, and then we will move to the left subtree B. B is also traversed pre-order. The process goes on until all the nodes are visited. The output of the pre-order traversal of this tree will be A, first root node, and then we are moving to the left subtree. Here is root node is B, and after that we are traveling the leftmost node and the rightmost of that left subtree. After that we are moving to the right subtree. Here the root node is C. After that we are traveling the left sub node, and after that we are going for the right node. Here how we are traveling the pre-order traversal. Next is post-order traversal. In this traversal method, first we travel the left subtree, then the right subtree, and finally the root node. So we start from A as and follow the post-order traversal. We first visit the left subtree B, and B is also travels post-order. The process goes on until all the nodes are visited. The output of the post-order traversal of this tree will be first is D because the leftmost node, and after that right node E, and finally the root node. After that we are moving to our right subtree. Here the node, left node is F and right node G and its root node C, and finally the main root node of our tree is A. Here how we are performing the post order traversal. These are all some operations we can perform on trees. Thank you.